Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and this crazy challenge we find ourselves in for the next 12 months. Now today we have some volatile moves on the market, speaking crude oil and natural gas. I'm about to break those down for you, and also I will let you know how my trend ended yesterday when I opened a long position with natural gas. Without further ado, let's jump onto the chart and see what the market has got in store for us. Now as you can see, I'm currently looking at a crude oil to begin with. We are on the 5-minute chart, as that is my now strategy to be trading on the 5-minute chart. I'll just open up the live session here, and that's where I'm finding myself in a great opportunities at the moment on that 5-minute chart, because a simple reason is that the 1-minute chart is quite quick. So if you blink, you lose. If you snooze, you lose, as I said. So yes, that's one of the reasons I'm trading into the 5-minute chart, and also I have more time to let those opportunities present to me and get them on time, so to speak. Now let's jump onto the daily and see what is the major trend, speaking to crude oil, and then we'll jump on to natural gas to see that too. We're currently finding ourselves with crude oil, especially in some sort of a consolidation area right here. So you can see the previous lows for 2023 has been around this area here, $60 to $70 per barrel as a good support level, and that's where we find ourselves in as well. In December we just tested that support, we bounced off the support and then potentially looking to uptrend from there. Hence why yesterday crude oil was very bullish, and today also it's kind of consolidating at the moment of me speaking. So that's where we find ourselves, ups and downs, support and resistance levels would be the best strategy when market is consolidating and when it doesn't have really a great trend to follow. So yes, support and resistance would be the best partner for us at trading, and that's what we're going to be focusing on. Then we're looking at natural gas, another great ticker for me for the last few days as well. We're currently selling off, and I'm not surprised, because if you go onto the daily, you will see that we are below the MAs, the 35 moving average, and also respectively the 150 moving average as well. We are again in some sort of a support area for the 2023, so don't be surprised if we continue uptrending from here, or potentially we'll be looking to downsell come into January. But yes, it is currently a consolidation area, so expect some support and resistance levels, and hence why yesterday was a quite good day with natural gas. At one point was 3.5% up, and then at the end of the day all gone to zero. And then let me just show you that. Right, so yes, right here at 6 o'clock I've opened my position right here. So for those who was with me on the live trading session, that's where I've opened my position. We bounced off the moving average, 150 moving average, so to speak, and then continue uptrending, breaking above the 35 moving average as well. That's where I found one of the best opportunities for the day yesterday. I did miss out on the big sell-off here because I wasn't at the time on the charts, so I did not anticipate anything like that. Otherwise I would have put a nice short sell order to open a position when it's time to open it. So that's where we are at the moment. I just want to test. Okay, yeah, I got some sound. That's good, because I have few issues throughout the weeks and the months with some sound, and so yes, back to natural gas. Right, we're currently minus 3% down on the day, but that's not to speak we're not going to find any support and then uptrend from there, because like I said, it is a consolidation area we're finding ourselves on crude oil and natural gas. So support and resistance levels would be the best edges for you to follow. Now let's see if we can open a trade. I was thinking, to be fair with you, to open a little crude oil trade here, a little long position right here, but what I don't like about this particular setup right now is we got a huge resistance level at $73 per barrel, as it's been throughout the whole day today, and if we are to break it, we'll take a huge candle, a breakout candle. But like I said, I don't see that happening, although I have now limited myself because I don't see it happening. It may happen, but I don't like the setup because we're currently trading just above the moving averages, and that is a great edge for me because that's what I'm looking at, breaking above and below the moving average. But we, at the same time, we do have that huge resistance at $73 per barrel. So I'm resisting at the moment entering in the long position, although you never know what will happen on the market. I, in fact, just foresee something. Yeah, yes, so it's a resistance all the way. And then with natural gas, we just continue selling off. Now, today I've opened a few trades. Now, before that, I want to talk about yesterday in natural gas. So as you can see, I closed yesterday when I was live. I opened that position, long position, natural gas, what I told you, and I closed it into 3/3. As you can see, the first one, I could have waited a little bit longer, but hey ho, it's one of them things. I've taken a 1/3 of my position, that was £62. I then taken another £89 off, another third of the position, and then last but not least, we've got a £123, the last third of that position. For today, I've opened 3 trades. As you can see, the first one was a negative, so to speak, and then I've closed it 1, 2, 3 into 3 because I didn't see the crude oil selling off really as anticipated, so I cut my losses short and then moved forward from there. I then bought some crude oil, so as you can see, it's good really when you see the market, it doesn't really aligns with your expectations. Oh, okay, it's wrong to have expectations, I get it. Okay, not your expectations, but if the market doesn't aligns with the pattern you are trading currently, you better cut your losses and move forward to the next trade, and that's what I did. I've opened a long position, and that is a couple of hours later, so to speak, and then I closed it relatively early, £41.35. And then I bought some natural gas, and that was another £122 in the back. Or in total, I'm £84 up today. For yesterday and today, for the week, I am £536 up. Amazing, a great day yesterday, like I said, when I was trading live with you guys. Fantastic day, and that's how it consolidates so far. A great week. And then moving forward from there, let's see what is happening with crude oil, because I am quite curious to see if we can break that resistance of $73 per barrel. Let me know in the comments below, do you think that's gonna be break off, or we will be reversing from that point? And then potentially I'll be looking to enter into a short position with crude oil. I'm quite puzzled to see if you can, in fact, call it out. Make sure you do call it out in the comments below. If not, I'll tell you what can happen. I'm not gonna tell you what will happen because no one really knows. I'll tell you what will happen. What did I say? I'm not going to tell you what will happen, but I will tell you what could happen, right? Since we're currently trading at that resistance of the day, only one thing can happen, and that is to break the support, and that is currently the moving averages, as you can see. But hey ho, you never know. Time 2 o'clock, so we may be in for a huge push, another round hour, so making sure you get on board with the round numbers and round hours, because round hours sometimes, more often than not, it's a change of direction, because we have closed the hourly candle and then we open another one, and so forth. We're moving further down. Let's see, we're testing the resistance, guys. I'm curious to see what will that look like if we break the resistance. I think it's going to be a huge candle. Quite volume. We picked up some volume here, as you can see. Let's see natural gas volume, where we stand. I have a great volume with natural gas at the minute, to be fair with you, so we may expect some volatile moves when there is some volume coming into the market. Right, crude oil is pushing. Let's go, crude oil. Make my day. Break above it. Come on, let's do it. Also, guys, let me know in the comments below. Have you opened a trade today? Did you manage to profit? What was it? Was it crude oil, natural gas, or was it just a stock? Or you're a forex trader, or was it a forex pair? Let me know in the comment below, and then hopefully I can help you with some strategies and how you can profit from the markets as well. Right, we're testing the resistance. We're breaking the previous resistance here, as you can see. That's a great sign for some upward momentum. Then see how's that gonna end with crude oil. The other side stable. We haven't overbought, we haven't oversold. Let's just jump onto natural gas. Yeah, same thing. We haven't really oversold yet on crude oil, on natural gas, sorry. Pushing. Let's see if there's gonna be enough buyers to break that. Yeah, we can't really break it, as you can see. Although that's not a setting stone, anything can happen. And if it can, it will happen. I'll tell you that with trading. That is for sure, guys. I don't know if you guys not profitable from trading, how that is possible. I mean, with so much opportunities, especially coming to futures, natural gas and crude oil, volatile moves, and then just taking advantage of each and every edge. That's what it comes down to, not a rocket science, guys. So if you don't really profit from the market, make sure you watch me each and every day where I'm breaking out my strategy, my edges. Then hopefully I'll give you that insight how to be more profitable. We are currently still testing that resistance. Don't forget, I'm on a 5-minute chart, so things do develop a bit slower than the minute chart, but that's what I like in terms of the 5-minute candles, because I can then foresee something happening and then I can take advantage of my edge. Because speaking straightforward with you, the 1-minute chart is a bit of a suicide because it just happens so quick, and also it just doesn't work for me. Doesn't mean that it's not going to work for you, but that's how I feel, that's how I preach. 5 minutes I have found to be the best one so far. I've been trading on 1 hour, been trading on 1 minute, and I've been trading previously on 5 minutes as well. So also combining all those experiences throughout trading, the hourly, the minute, and also the 5-minute candles, it does help me more into seeing things as they develop. We are currently testing that resistance on crude oil. I just keep an eye on that because it is a big thing today. As you can see, we've been consolidating in this area here throughout the day, and then if we break that, we can potentially continue uptrending, testing previous resistance from yesterday, the huge push. I didn't trade yesterday, yes. I did not, but I still managed to make over £500 profit yesterday. Amazing day. And then let's focus on today. My goal is £300, so that makes them 1100 throughout the 2 days, which will be fantastic. And I think it is possible. Let's go, crude oil. Hey, look at that. What did I tell you? That's going to be a huge candle, and it is. Only one thing, I'm not in a trade. I'm not in a long position. That would have been beautiful. Anyway, I'm happy. Like I said, that consolidate a couple of things what I've been talking today. First, the around hour, it is another signal for you just to pay attention to what will happen on the market, as that is sometimes more often than not, like I told you earlier, it is a change of direction and anything can happen. And if anything can happen, guess what? It will happen. So yes, make sure you pay attention to round numbers and round hours, and you see more and more opportunities come to you. Now I missed out on this particular one, but hey ho, I still got plenty of time to catch up and make some good money out of the market. I'm currently £80 up for the day, which is not bad. It's still better than being in a loss like I was earlier. So just moving forward, continue trading my edges and just making sure I'm always profitable and also consistent in my results. I want to thank you so much for today. I'm gonna wrap it up. Been a fantastic trading day so far. I'm very glad that I've managed to call out the breakout of crude oil, although I haven't taken advantage of that. I do have that also how to put it, I do have that perception that if I see that edge, guess what, I'm on to the next one. So if I miss one, I'm sure to get onto the next one, and then so on to the next one without picking my edges, because that is the danger. You don't know which one is going to work, and you have to really go on and take each and every edge. I want to thank you so much for being with me today. I hope you had some good insights of how you can be profitable day trading crude oil and natural gas, what's the major trend, and make sure to join me in for tomorrow. Same time, same place, same tickers, and let's go and get that £21 million in the next 12 months. God bless you and have a fantastic trading day.